Hello, welcome to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. For the last couple of weeks, I've been playing with the longernano 12-watt portable laser engraver. And yesterday they sent me the updated firmware for it. They've been listening to suggestions from the community, and they've made some adjustments to make things run a little smoother with it. So I'm going to show you how to use MKSLaser tool to flash the firmware to the laser. But when you download the firmware, it'll be in a bin file. So we'll show you how it works. First, have our laser connected to our laptop. If you don't have MKSLaser tool installed already, it will be on the USB card reader that came with your machine. You can install it. Download the bin file. And you will open up MKSLaser tool. Go to the top option here, ESP32 download tool. You will navigate to wherever you stored the file. Mine is on a portable zip drive, a 1.7.4 bin. We open that up. Make sure MKS is set on the right COM port. That's the COM port that your laser engraver is connected to. We take the baud rate, 250,000, flash size to 16 megabyte, then we hit start. And it's going to process its way through. There it's written 100% to the device. And that's compressed. So now it's going to uncompress it and install it inside the unit. It'll come up here in a moment and tell us it is written so many bytes compressed. This is probably the longest part of the whole update process. There we are. 63.4 seconds. And now it is verifying that it installed it properly and successfully. I'll take another minute or two. And there we have it. Data has been verified. Firmware successfully flashed. So now we could turn off the Nano. We could close MKSLaser tool. And now we're good to burn. So as soon as you see this up there, download it, get it flashed, have the most current bells and whistles installed. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.